Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So we are looking at number patterns and their rules. So the first thing I want you to think about is number patterns is that we need to think about what's happening in the pattern, and we've already looked at how we can turn those into rules. So this time we are given a rule and we are going to use that to come up with our values. So to start off, I just want us to think about, I'm showing this, I just want us to think about that a square and triangle, we don't know those values. So we're going to have a square and we're going to have a triangle here. Now that just means I'm going to give it a value. If I give it a value, we will be able to work out what a triangle is. So if I say that a square is 1, I am then going to have 3 times 1 minus 2. 3 times 1 is 3, minus 2 is 1. So that means triangle will be 1. If I make square 2, I'm just going to go 3 times 2 minus 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 take away 2 equals 4. So that just means my triangle becomes 4. If I plug in 4, I'm going 3 times the square is 4, minus 2. So 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 take away 2 equals 10. And then finally, I might put in the value for 5 when I've got the square. That's just saying 3 times 5 minus 2. 3 times 5 minus 2. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 take away 2 equals 13. Now that's exactly the same as what we're doing over here, but instead of having some symbols, we've got a word rule. And our rule is add 10. So if I insert 1, once I've applied this rule, I get what's 1, add 10, 11. So what comes out is 11. It's like me putting 1 into a machine. It adds, when it goes into the machine, it adds 10 more to it, and 11 pops out. Doesn't have to be in order. I can pop in 5, and then it's going to pop out 10 more than 5 based on this rule. So 5 plus 10 equals 15. I might pop in 16. Again, using this rule, I put 16 balls into the machine and suddenly it pops out an extra 10. And it becomes 26. Really hope that helps you understand number patterns, in particular rules. If you need any extra help, let me know and I'll get back to you.